Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about temperature and humidity transmitter with display. This is how our product looks. This is duct mount humidity and temperature transmitter. From this cable you can give power supply of 24 VDC. And here temperature and humidity out you can get in terms of 4 to 20 milliampere current. Here output of the temperature and humidity transmitter will be displayed here. LCD display will show temperature and humidity data. Now we will see working setup. You can see temperature and humidity live data we can see in our display. Now we will see this transmitter output data with two external display. One display is for temperature output 4 to 20 milliampere current loop and second display is for humidity output 4 to 20 milliampere current loop. Let's see the setup.